Hands-on photographs of the Galaxy S23 reveal the phones in all their splendor. The Galaxy Unpacked 2023 event, where Samsung will introduce the premium Galaxy S23 series, is nearly here after months of leaks, but leakers are not done yet and continue to release speculations, specifications, and photographs. The most recent one comes from Ice Universe, a well-known leaker, and Twitter user Dylan Zitten, who both posted hands-on photographs of the unreleased phones. Pre-release photographs of Samsung phones are a typical occurrence before formal announcements, raising excitement each year. Ice Universe has revealed pictures of the Galaxy S23, S23 Plus, and S23 Ultra, revealing their designs in detail. The S23 Ultra is portrayed in green, while the S23 and S23 Plus are displayed in cream and lavender. As originally suspected, the ordinary Galaxy S23 versions have copied the Ultra's back look. They can still be distinguished since the Galaxy S23 and S23 Plus have rounded edges, whilst the S23 Ultra has a squared look. Dylan Zitten claimed to have noticed the phones in a Chilean mobile network shop where they were already on display prior to their official release. He posted a video that was subsequently deleted, but photographs of the black S23 Ultra still appear on his page. Despite the fact that he seems to have spent some hands-on time with the phones, no information about his experience has been published. A few hands-on photographs and videos were recently posted, allegedly indicating that the Galaxy S23 Ultra would feature a 200-megapixel camera, making it the greatest camera phone of 2023. Today, Samsung will unveil the Galaxy S23 series. The phones will almost certainly be powered by a customized version of Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 CPU and may have a new selfie camera. The regular versions will also have larger batteries than their predecessors, however the entry-level model may lack a few new features. Finally, how do you feel about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.